Hello. I will start with clinical scenario 1. In teens trying to quit smoking, is cognitive behavior therapy more effective than nicotine replacement therapy? As requested in the instructions, this is for Medline. It's a Medline query. So I go to Medline. I go to the fourth option here. I search for cognitive behavior therapy. There is a match for it. So I select it and go to the tree. Acceptance and commitment therapy, cognitive restructuring, mindfulness, I will explode because I would like to have these in my query. And I continue. Include all subheadings and continue. The second thing we want to look for is nicotine replacement therapy. We don't have nicotine replacement therapy per se, but we do have tobacco use cessation devices. And we go down the tree. There's nicotine chewing gum. Chewing gum, I will explode and continue. I also notice there is smoking cessation, which is also our outcome. So I will search for that. Smoking cessation. I'll go down the tree as well. It doesn't have anything under it, but there is also tobacco use cessation. I will choose both of these, but I will not explode because there's nothing under them. I will continue. Okay, so all of these concepts, we should put an and between. However, we also need to put limits because we need this query to be for teens. So I will go to adolescents, age 13 to 18, and because this is a clinical query, I will go here to therapy and we'll use maximize specificity to get the major mesh, the major outcomes. Sorry. So we have 5 articles for this query in Medline.